The old deck was a disaster. It hadn't been maintained. The wood was splintering, soft, falling apart. I didn't even feel safe walking on it. We started to look at a variety of deck manufacturers. I was kind of shocked at how ugly the samples were. The colors were not appealing to me at all. And when I saw Deckorators, I loved the color selection immediately. I think it's because it looks real, it looks upscale, it looks natural, and I learned that it is heat resistant. We have small dogs, and in the summertime, I'm in my bare feet all the time, and that was a really big, important concern for me. The first time I saw it and was able to walk on it, I was thrilled because it's like the outside is part of the inside now. When you come through our front door, you see the deck immediately, and it's like another room to the house. The deck is really our pride and joy. We're so proud of having this beautiful deck. Our neighbors can't wait to get on it, and I know we're going to be enjoying it with a lot of friends and family, and it's really a big addition to our house.